Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your People's Pension account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in People's Pension Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to choose either you're a member or your employer or advisor. And if you are new to this page, you can click on the sign up button to sign up for a new account. For this instance, I'm going to log in as a member. So I'll go ahead and click on the member login link. And it will ask your username or email address and your password to your account. So go ahead and enter your login credentials. Enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this forgotten password link to reset your password. And if you are new to People's Pension, you can click on this link to register for a new account. And if you have a locked account, you can click on this link to reset or unlock your account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the login button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.